In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the AMRU Designs Micro Dagger magazine extension onto a PSA Micro Dagger magazine. What you will need as for tools is a 2.5mm Allen key, a magazine, and then everything that came with your extension. First thing we'll do is remove the base plate off the magazine. Go ahead and just press down on the logo, slide it out. We're going to pull everything out of the magazine. We are going to set floor plate and retaining plate and spring aside. Spring should just slide out or pop off. We're then going to take the follower and slide it on to the longer spring that came with your extension. Should just slide in like that and stay under the little lips there on the follower underneath. We then will take follower and spring, insert into mag body, and then we're going to slide the mag extension from front to back. Because this is such a long extension, we're going to have to be really careful getting the spring in. As you can see, it can be a bit of a struggle. I like to just catch the back edge of the spring like that, compressing, catching the lips on the bottom of the mag body, and push like that till you hear that click. Spring should have set into the extension, and then all we need to do there is add the Allen key, the Allen screw with the Allen key, and then just go ahead and tighten down. If you would like, you could add some purple or blue Loctite. It's not necessarily needed. Just give it a nice, just get it down and just snug it up, because there will be a little bit of pressure right there, kind of help it from rotating anyways. So that's it. That's how you install your AMRU Designs Micro Dagger mag extension.